In today's video, I will walk you through how to use CoinMarketCap for crypto research. Start by checking the overall crypto market information before researching individual cryptocurrencies. At the top of the CoinMarketCap homepage, locate the Global Metrics bar and review the available market data. First, check the total market cap value. This shows the total size of the cryptocurrency market. Next, check Bitcoin dominance, also shown as BTC percentage, to view Bitcoin's market share compared with other cryptocurrencies. Then, locate the Fear and Greed Index further down the homepage or by using the search bar. Review the displayed value to check the current market sentiment. After reviewing the market overview, select a specific cryptocurrency to analyze. On the Coins page, focus on the main data sections instead of only checking the current price. Start with the Supply Metrics section. Locate the supply information on the left sidebar or within the Statistics section. Review the three main supply values displayed. Check the circulating supply to view the number of coins currently trading. Then, check the max supply to view the maximum number of coins that will ever exist. Compare the circulating supply and max supply values shown on the page. Next, select the Holders tab located below the price chart. Review the supply distribution information displayed in this section. Check the percentage of tokens held by the top wallets. If the top 10 wallets hold 70% or more of the tokens, the supply is highly concentrated. Review the wallet information and check for large developer wallets that are not locked. Also, look for burned or dead addresses shown in the holder details. After that, open the Markets tab on the cryptocurrency page. Review the exchanges where the token is traded. Check the liquidity scores and the 24-hour trading volume displayed for each market. For additional research, use the Historical Snapshots feature. Open the Historical section on CoinMarketCap and select a date to view the market rankings from that time. Review the leaderboard information and compare cryptocurrency positions from different periods. You can also use DEXScan from the top menu. Select DEXScan to view on-chain data for newly launched tokens and other listed assets. Review the available token information and the displayed safety audit details. To check official resources for a cryptocurrency, open the Coins profile page and locate the Links section. Review the available verified links for the official website, source code, white paper, and community channels. When researching a cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap, review the market metrics, supply details, holder distribution, trading markets, historical data, DEXScan information, and official links available on the platform. These sections provide the key information needed to complete your crypto research. Thank you for watching.